Let's address the question on many people's minds. Is herpes dangerous? In most cases, no. Herpes is not usually life-threatening and does not typically lead to serious health problems. However, it can be dangerous for pregnant women and those with compromised immune systems. Now, let's talk about the different types of herpes. There are two main types: herpes simplex virus type 1, or HSV-1, which causes oral outbreaks or cold sores, and herpes simplex virus type 2, or HSV-2, which causes genital outbreaks. HSV-1 is much more common. HSV-2, or genital herpes, affects at least 417 million people and is considered a sexually transmitted infection. But why is there such a strong stigma surrounding herpes? It's believed that this is due to two main factors: the fact that herpes is a sexually transmitted infection, and the fact that there is no cure for it. Unfortunately, stigma surrounding medical conditions is not a new phenomenon, and people with other communicable diseases such as syphilis and HIV often face similar discrimination. The consequences of the herpes stigma can be severe, impacting the mental health and self-esteem of those affected. It can also make it difficult for them to have honest and open conversations about their condition and may prevent them from disclosing their diagnosis to sexual partners, leading to a ripple effect that contributes to the prevalence of the virus. So, where does this stigma come from? It dates back to the 1970s and 1980s when herpes was first identified as a sexually transmitted infection. At the time, there was a lack of understanding about how it was transmitted and a lack of effective treatments, leading to fear and misinformation. This, combined with the taboo nature of sex and the lack of education about herpes, contributed to the stigma that persists today. But it's important to remember that herpes is a common and manageable condition. With proper treatment, those with herpes can lead healthy and fulfilling lives. It's time to put an end to the unnecessary stigma surrounding this condition and instead focus on educating ourselves and supporting those who are affected. Remember, herpes is a common condition that does not define who a person is or their worth as an individual. Thanks for watching.